Cards for U.S. citizens, children. What documents do you need to get an original Social Security card for a child? Show us documents proving your identity and show us documents proving the child's U.S. citizenship, age, identity. Any child 12 or older must appear in person. What documents do you need to get a replacement Social Security card for a child who is a U.S. citizen? Show us documents proving your identity and the child's identity. You must also show us documents proving your child's age and U.S. citizenship, if they are not already in our records. All documents you submit must be originals or copies certified by the agency that issued them. We cannot accept photocopies or notarized copies. To prove your child's U.S. citizenship, you need to show documentation such as U.S. birth certificate, U.S. consular report of birth, U.S. passport, certificate of naturalization, certificate of citizenship. To prove your child's age, you need to show documentation such as U.S. birth certificate, religious record made before the age of 5 showing date of birth, U.S. hospital record of birth established before age 5, U.S. passport. To prove your child's identity, you need to show an unexpired document issued within the past 4 years, showing your child's name, parents' names, not all documents will have this information listed, date of birth, place of birth, and preferably a photograph, such as U.S. passport, adoption decree, doctor, clinic, or hospital record, religious record, school daycare center record, school ID card, state-issued non-driver ID card. If you are a U.S. citizen, you need to show us an unexpired document proving your identity. This document should show your name, identifying information, and preferably a photograph, such as a U.S. driver's license, state-issued non-driver ID card, U.S. passport. To prove your identity, we might be able to accept documents such as employee ID card, school ID card, U.S. military ID card, doctor, clinic, or hospital record, health insurance card, not a Medicare card. Proof of relationship to child may be required. If you are not a U.S. citizen, to prove your identity, you need to show documentation such as Form I-551, including a machine-readable immigrant visa with your unexpired foreign passport, I-94 with your unexpired foreign passport, work permit from the Department of Homeland Security, I-766 or I-688B, U.S. driver's license, state-issued non-driver ID card. For an original card, you must prove a Social Security number was never assigned to your child. If your child lived outside the United States for an extended period, you need a current or previous passport, school and/or employment records, or any other record that would show long-term residence outside the United States. If your child has lived in the United States, we may ask you for information about the schools your child attended, or to provide copies of tax records that would show your child was never assigned a Social Security number. Start your application online while you're waiting. www.ssa.gov/SSN card-app